When you said that dragon comment and the hungry, greedy dragon that activated something in me, it made me, like Gabor Mate talks about hungry ghosts, and Chinese medicine we talk about ghosts, and but it's this kind of mythological way of or symbolic way to talk about the insatiability of something that we can't see or name that scares us. So I'm wanting to ground this into something that's actually very real, and that's the emotion of fear. And fear itself has a freezing quality to it. In Chinese medicine, fear is related to water. So we think of water freezing. We think of water as being fluid. We also think of water as casting mist or cloud.